Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bay and I'm going to be giving you some updates and important deadlines for Pierce College. So who are we? You most likely already know, but just to go over where we're located, we have a campus in Lakewood, our Fort Silicon campus, Puyallup campus, JBLM campus, and then Spannery Lake High School and Graham Capelson High School, and students can take general classes at any of those campuses. Some of our accomplishments are that we ranked top 10 community college in the nation by the Aspen Institute, and we also ranked #1 community college for veterans. So financial aid updates, we have a 4-week processing time right now for financial aid. There are no hard deadlines, but applications for the next academic year are available October 1st. And then our school code for the FAFSA and WASPA is 005,000. Something new and exciting that we are offering are FAFSA and WASPA workshops. We had those throughout the summer, and hopefully we will have those for the fall as well. I believe we will. And those are offered virtually and in person at the Fort Silicon campus. Also, one important thing to note is that the students will now access their financial aid awards and see any updates through CTC Link. So it used to be a financial aid portal, but now everything for financial aid will be in CTC Link. Student resources, we have all the same resources as before, but a lot of resources are now available online. So you can look through the list of resources here on the left. But our tutoring and writing center are available virtually. We also have advising, which is available virtually as well. So we have Zoom sessions for advising Monday through Thursday, 8:30 to 4:30 p.m. And then right now for summer, it's available Friday just from 8:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. And then for advising, I believe we do have advisors back on campus Tuesdays and Thursdays now as well until 2 p.m. As for our equity, diversity, and inclusion and what we're doing, we have our EDI Cares department, and they have recently joined hands with Student Life. They offer a lot of great programs, and I'm going to go over a couple of them briefly. We have our TRIO program, TRIO Student Support Services, which is available at the Fort Silicon campus. They have individualized advising and mentoring, cultural and social events that they put on regularly, and then also they offer transfer assistance for our low-income and first-generation college students. We also have our Aspire program, which serves our Asian American and Pacific Islander students. They also help with improving the retention and engagement of these AA and PI students. And then they have more programs to come as well. One thing to note is that our EDI Cares department does put on summer camps. So they have their summer camps already this year, but for next year, definitely share out with your students about our summer camps because they are geared towards high school students. Okay, so admissions updates. We have a new application through the SBCTC. It's just a little bit more robust. It looks a little different. And then we also implemented CTC Link last May. So students now have a new student ID number. It's an EMPL ID, EMPL ID. And then students who are a student before CTC Link was implemented will now have a new student ID as well. We got rid of our RAC codes, so our registration access codes. Before, students needed to have a RAC code from their advisor before they could register, but now students are able to register without it. So that helps save some time and makes the process for registering a little bit easier and a little more convenient. And our new student guide is going to be newer. Our new student guide is our online orientation, and we are revamping that right now. Hopefully it'll get implemented by fall, but the new student guide is just going to be a lot more robust. It's going to have a lot more engaging material in it, new videos. It has more information on career exploration, and then it's going to be a guide that students can go back to after having already taken a few classes. So it's not just a one and done sort of guide. It can be a resource for students to access later on as well. As for COVID-19 updates, so we are planning to do a gradual return to campus for fall. We will be a vaccinated campus. With the recent governor mandate, masks are required whether you're vaccinated or not. And we were anticipating to be fully opened by winter. So that's the hope right now, and that's the current plan. But please keep in mind that things might change because of the Delta variant and COVID cases going up. So for now, this is the plan that we have. Okay, well, our contact information is here. Feel free to contact me. Again, my name is Abby Bay, or you can contact my coworker, Ruthie Schindler, anytime. I hope you have a great rest of your day and look forward to working with you this next coming academic year.